Come and make your own lovely needle book with us. It has 6 pages to organise all your pins and needles, a pocket for spare buttons and threads, and the book closes with a piece of elastic to keep everything secure. Start by marking out what will be the front of your book onto your fabric, popping it in a hoop. You can trace your design onto some Solufix and stick this directly to the front of your fabric. Take some thread and tie a knot in the end. Make 1 stitch along the lines of your design. Next, bring your needle back up a stitch length away from your first stitch and then pop the needle back through at the end of your first stitch. Repeat this until you've embroidered your entire design. You can then cut off the excess Solufix with a small pair of embroidery scissors and just rinse the rest off underwater. Now cut your interfacing and fabric following the instructions on your pattern piece. Trim your felt top and bottom with pinking shears. Here are some of the other bits you'll need. If you're using fusible interfacing or fleece, place the adhesive side to the back of your main fabric and fix it in place with an iron. Fold your pocket piece in half lengthways with the wrong sides together and stitch along the top folded edge. Place the pocket piece onto your lining piece. Place the elastic down one side, 3 centimeters from the left edge. Place the main piece on top of this. Sew all the way around the edge with a 1 centimeter seam allowance, leaving a gap along the right hand edge. Snip the excess seam allowance from all 4 corners and then snip your wadding or interfacing only all the way around the edges, but do not trim the edge where you have your gap. Give it a quick press and then sew the hole closed. Take your felt and place this over the lining and pocket side of your needle book. Mark the centre and then sew the few lines of stitching. Fold your felt in half and trim the ends with pinking shears so that all the pages line up. Your needle book is now finished and ready to fill with whatever useful things you need.